So in this example, in our percent composition, we're talking about a certain percentage of what we're looking at. So think about like baking a cake. What percentage of a cake is going to be eggs? What percentage is going to be flours? Things like that. All right. Now, if I'm looking at magnesium bromide, I have MgBr2. So what I'll be doing is I'm taking my Mg and my Br, and I'm still finding, I have to find my entire molar mass to get the number that I'll be dividing by to figure out the total percentage of magnesium. Alright, so magnesium is 1 times 24.3, and bromide is 2 times 79.9. Alright, so when we put these together, we have 24.3 and 159.8. Add them together, you get your 184.1. So that's our total molar mass. But what we need to do is find the percent of magnesium, or magnesium in magnesium bromide. So we take our magnesium and then we divide it by our total. Alright? And once you do the calculations, just divide it. You're always going to take this answer and multiply by 100 to get your percentage. So once we find this answer, it is 13.2%. Okay? So that's basically what we're doing with this. You're always trying to find the percentage of the whole. So your whole is whatever your molar mass is for the entire substance, and your mass is going, or then your percent is going to be whatever the substance that you're dividing by that. All right. Now, if you are given something like this, you need to find the percentage for each of these. So we take Al times 2, or 2 times, sorry. We have S, which is 3 times 1, so that gives us 3. And then we have O, which is 3 times 4, which is 12. So S is 32.1. Aluminum is 27. And then oxygen is 16. So we have 54, 96.3, and let's see, I think I need a calculator for that one. So 12 times 16 gives us an answer of 192. Add it all up, is 342.3. So in this case, we have to find the percentage for each one. So for aluminum, we're taking 54 divided by 34.23, and then multiply by 100 to get our answer. We have 96.3 divided by 34.23 times 100. That gives us the answer for that one. And then 192 divided by 342.3 times 100 for O. So we take 192 divided by 342.3. That gives us an answer of 56.1%, or 9. No, 0.1%. And then we take our 54 divided by 342.3, and that's going to be 15.8%. And we do our 96.3 divided by 342.3, and that gives us our 28.1%. Alright, so once we find all this should equal up to 0, and it does, because this is a 1, not a 9. Alright, so combined we get our 100%, and that's what we're looking to get. Now I would suggest always rounding to the nearest tenth, because if you're within like 1%, either plus or minus 100, you are, or if you're 1% around there, That's the percent error that we're talking about. Sorry about the yawn. All right, so if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. If you're missing this, go ahead and get it done. All right.